Very successful trades that you see on your screen were possible by using train breakout signals and precise exit points. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 breakout strategies. The most important thing about trades in financial market is the X input, and we have designed this strategy in a way that it would identify entry and exit points very accurately. I will teach you the most important conditions of both strategies. You can gain consistent profit from your trades using them, so make sure to watch the whole video carefully so you won't miss on any important points. Let me explain more on the chart. Before anything, I'm going to briefly talk about how the first strategy works. The strategy is based on scalp trading, which means short trades with constant profit. As it is clear on the screen, the green colored icons present the buy signals, and the green numbers show the exciting targets of the position. So let's move on to the main conditions of this strategy. The first condition is the candlesticks being above the moving line when the signal has been given. Okay, here the entry signal has been given, and this is the first target, and this other one is the last target that tells us to exit the trade. I open a buy position at the first signal as long as the candlesticks are above 2. Move a line. If the indicator gives us a buy signal when through the trade, see here in the third target, it automatically shows us to exit the trade. I enter the trade in this 2 other positions as well. Again, here the indicator says to close the position at the third target. Now it announces the exit point at the second target. Trading according to the trend of the market has always given the best results. We opened 4 trading positions here, and all of them ended up being profitable. Now let me also explain sell positions quickly. For sell trace, we do the opposite of what we did for the buy trades. For example, here the indicator has given a sell signal, but the second condition isn't fulfilled because the candlesticks are still above the moving line disposition. The candlesticks are below the moving line and a sell signal has been given attending, and all the conditions are met. Okay, I open a sell position here. This is the first target, and here is the second one, and if you look closely you can see the third exiting target of the trade here. All the in trading set points of the target are given automatically. Let's see how are the next signals looking. So in the descendant trend, the strategy gave us 3 successful positions. I'm going to do some back testing with this strategy to see how much profit we're going to make and what is the win rate ratio of the strategy. I'll calculate the profits by the leverage of 10. This is Ethereum chart with 1-minute time frame. Let's start. Music. You'll spend 23 positions in total, and we achieved 101 profit in these 23 trades. This is the profit margin of this strategy, along with an amazing 85% win rate ratio. Now, it is time to introduce the indicators used in this strategy. For the first indicator, search BOMA. Here apply this indicator to your charts. Now let's change its settings. We changed the first options number from 50 to 100, and we changed these 2 options digits from 3 to 4. The next indicator is from the Luis Alga team. Let's add that one to the charts from the indicators tab as well. Search Fibonacci progression here. Add this indicator, which I mentioned again, made by Luis Algo, to your charts. We need to change the settings of the indicator to make sure that this number here is 1 and this one here is set to 3, and the method should be set to ATR. Let's move to the style, uncheck the target and stop options here. Now that's it for the first strategy, and it is time to present to you guys the second one. This strategy works based on the supporting floor and the resistance ceiling packages. For instance, here the floor has been broken downwards and the indicator has given a sell signal beforehand. We open a sell position here where the indicator has given a sell signal. I set the stop loss on top of the ceiling here. Now this indicator gives us good entry signals, but the most important part of this strategy is no addicted points. When should we exit the trade? Once we reach profit here or here. For making the exit targets clear, we need to use another indicator. We're going to add RSI indicator to our choice to help us with that. Search RSI here and apply it to your charts from the RSI settings. I'm only going to change RSI's appearance, so I will only change the options in the start section. First, disable this option here. Next, we make the RSI line a little bolder and set it to a brighter color. Follow my steps as I change the other options as well. Now that the RSI's appearance has changed, it is a lot more readable. Okay, here is sell signal has been given. Now, if we open a sell trade, RU should be exit the trade whenever the RSI line gets out of this area in the middle. It means that a lot of sell trays have been going on and we have to exit the trade here. I show the exit point by drawing a vertical line. I exit the trade exactly on this candlestick. See, we exit the trade at the best point. Let's find a buy trade on the chart and test it as well. Here in our packages occurred and the indicator is showing us a buy signal. I open a buy position on top of this candlestick here. RSI line has exited this area. I marked this point with a vertical line. The line has left the area once here. This would be our first target and it has exited another time here. That could be our second target. You can exit the trade at the first target without any risk, but if you wanted to take risk you could wait till the second target and exit. There was our first and here is the second target. We're at live market here and the price is broken the supporting floor downwards simultaneously. A sell signal has been given and because the trend is descending here, the RSI has given us 3 targets. This is the first one, here is the second one, and the third target is here. I marked the exit point of H target by a vertical line on this candlestick. We got the first target, which is the least risky one. The end of this candlestick would be our second target with medium risk, and this is the third target with the most risk. You saw that how this indicator functions. I'm on the gold ounce chart with a 1-minute time frame. This scale trading strategy works even on the shortest time frames, but this strategy has another term, that is if a signal has been given and at the same time RSI line leaves the area, the signal is not valid and we do not enter a trade in these positions at all. Let's do some back testing with this strategy as well to see which one is better. Music, foreign, music. We did 15 trays in the test and made 155 profit, and both strategies had an entry and exit system. Which strategy do you think is better? Let me know in the comments section below. Now I will show you the last indicator. In the indicators tab, search train lines with breaks and apply it to your charts. This indicator is also made by Lux Alga team. We customize the settings of this indicator as well. We set the slope to 0 and we enable this option so that we only get the confirmed breakouts. Next, in the style section, we make these 2 lines a little bolder so that we can see them better. And that's all. Thanks for staying with me till the end of this video. If you found these 2 strategies useful, make sure to leave a like and give me energy to make more strategies for you. Before using these strategies in your trades, make sure to do some back testing first. Hope you're always successful and profit making. Goodbye.